Today we're building our own volcano. The mold is already assembled, and now we're just gonna add the plaster and the water slowly. So there goes the plaster. There goes the plaster. There's the plaster. And after this is all done, we have to wait 45 minutes. Who's that? Get so. So here we go. We're dumping the water into the plaster, and now we're mixing. And I got this for Christmas and the builders are from National Geographic.
We're on a volcano. No.
So,
I want to watch.
You can watch, absolutely.
so we're still stirring. Can I stir?
Yep, you can do some of the stir.
Yeah, this is hard. Yeah.
Don't forget to get to the very bottom of the edges.
We can see from the outside there's some places we've missed.
Stir, 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 stir. We're still stirring while we're still stirring. And then we're gonna dump this. Is it good?
Let's take a look. It needs to be uniform and pourable. It's getting pretty close, but you can still see some chunks in there. So they're going to try and break those up. It says once you're done, you should let it sit for 1 minute to make sure all the water gets absorbed in.
Okay. So there's the top when it's all stirred. And this is it. While we are waiting, let's take a closer look at the box. So as you can see, build a volcano and make it erupt. This is the front. From National Geographic's whatever STEM thingy.
Do you know what STEM means?
Nope.
Science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.
Never knew that. And then you can see the volcano. That's not a real volcano.
Ready to pour.
No, then you collector's corner. You can get a genuine volcanic specimens inside. Now we're dumping it into the mold.
These are the color to make the water.
I
And
think it'll probably be easier to transfer if you use a slightly smaller bowl than we did.
yeah.
We just had a big bucket, so that's what we used.
That's the best thing we could use, so we used it. And if you want to do this yourself, you're going to have some good patience because this takes 2 days from when you start. After the 45 minutes, after you start, you have to do all this, wait 45 minutes, and then
Take it out of the mold and then let it dry for
for
2
2
more
days.
days.
Because this plaster's pretty thick.
So now we're going to try and get it nice and smooth
On the top, so it doesn't have any ridges,
so that it'll sit nice and flat when we're done.
and so it can dry faster. Well, I don't know if it will dry faster, but
And you'll bounce it a little bit to get any bubbles that are under there out.
There's some dripping on the side.
Ooh. Want to make sure.
it does not hit the table like it just did. So it used to all be in there, in that giant bucket. And before that, it used to be in there. And before that, it used to be in there. And then it went into there. And then it got mixed. And then it's in here.
Okay, so now we'll let it dry and we'll see you in 45 minutes.
See ya!
All of the mixed powder, and it says to add this tablespoon of this for this. Got all the explosion powder in there. We'll add the water slowly. It's not lava. Oops, please don't move it, Alex. It smells like strawberries. Don't. Go wash it off. We don't know what's in that, but stick your hands in it. You're going to have to wash your hands. So dump that out. Do it again.